Now, ladies and ladies, because no gentleman for Europe, no ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentle ladies. So, because that word when I say ladies and gentlemen is out of characteristic of living things of men. Ladies and gentlemen, no, not be so. Ladies and gentlewomen. Because that word ladies and gentlemen, I don't already spoil them. Now ladies and gentlewomen now. The title of my title, the topic of my title, the title of my topic, the topic of my title, topic of my title today. Oh, join Mona take out the one as here. Anyone as una take here, Mona reason like that. So that topic, when I write for there, I say people should stop interrupting for what women do in Europe. Not be because of them now I come Europe. That is my topic over there. Stop interrupting for what women do in Europe. Omakan warokpa, makan warokpa. Mala with their kettle. It not concern anybody. Not be because of woman now you come Europe. Not be because of them now you come Europe who you cut it the talk. Where we got anyway social media. You know what we but this gwagwa ikwu. You know what ya wa. Oi wa mi wetu wagigwa badole doyi o. Wa ki agbe madole doyi you go to Benin. Abukpe soro ni riava. U ya dole yi. Wini via we man omu webo. Although Imate only tell at the end of the video now at all. I don't for the now. I don't want me to come out because I have some little accident. Now boss is so yagbe my better. Enya was even here yagbe me. Egbeti ave mu megbe. But ave boss ni igmene niya rest in peace ne. So any noro. Then let we start. If you know say you want go up, you want away the level sioba the level sioba agoba the level yi fine. Then where are you wa o ya gwi ma do level yi wa o ya gwi ma do le mi ya yi wa abukpe soro ni ri ave ki soro ni ri ava gwi ma do le yi is better than udu a interrupt ave gesi man rewebu udu a yunu ri ani evie we man rewebu if we man rewebu rudinya we man rewebu rudunya kwa na rewebu Do we mami me have a social media? Wagbale mi obegata. It's better than you be spoiling our women's name, spoiling our whatever. Why we are well lo talking? Wagbale mi where we married ya we different corner nuwaya akbiyan fi. Nuwaya agiyan. Enena nuwa una yobo. This is not help. Ena yobo. Okwo no gugwera bo nuwe yeva nuwe ti fin va na we ti tie la wa wo dori eva o. O mi go be na mi ya de va e. Anything okwo ni mi ya ozo igo. Anything okwo ni mi ya ozo igo. No ya de va e negbe. Enu aki oyo. Enu guys, working like on social media to come and interrupt for what women do, or before you come out on social media to tackle our women. You akunu anunu women we yobona. Then we can't we count how many of our women you have helped. Only if you have women big agia on igbashawo ni nuwedo ayu nuwedo ayu this one ku have Zach, I'm sorry. So our women where you want going to use mat they for them for social media. How many you don't help? So if you want to come out on social media to fall women hand or to insult our Benin women or to insult our women or a Benin or not Benin or any tribe at all, as soon as it's woman. So where you want to insult them for social media, huh? You supposed to be say you get the one where you don't help. The one where you don't help go day. So those ones where you don't help, if you don't help woman now, maybe woman fed they do a shower before, you can't count one big money come and say, I beg my girl or my friend, this work where you work, so I don't want me you do them again. Take this money, go start better business. Because this country where we do, so they know they could see work like that until you get document or you get anything. Yes, you are right, you are good. You can come out on social media, talk and testify how many girls you have helped, how many women you have helped. It's better that you come out on social media, you start talking what your eye did not see. You just come out for social media, call they talk with you, you're not supposed to, call they talk with you, are not rich. When I not get better talking, when I talk, when I not talk another thing. Why time of it? Eganoma when you hear code you wire ni have ye ni we ni all those things now, all those have social media na working, you very break it. Again, you wado ya disturb my wa full my co. Na me na do gugwagun. For it. If you know you want to help Benin people, yeah, okay, you see your fellow Benin woman, they do ashago for corner. You want help her. You go straight to the woman. Go and meet the woman. This work where you want the work, so it's not good. I bet see what like this way I take get help for you. Yes, who will be the most happiest somebody so far? Oh, we'll go back to level genie. We're not like on social media to attend equal to a move for but to a church and equal to a tear bonnie where we my way in basha wearing one on oh we'll go barry avoa to go to legi because who went na money. Do you go back to level ye? You fly down to Benin, fly down to Nigeria, go repair their road, leave our women alone here. Or call any of our Edo woman where you see here, help them, give them money, may take go start better life. May stop ashawo work. Simple. If one contact what he say, na so woman go carry pikin. Abia the day to talk am. Woman go carry pikin give you children. He go another country go they do ashawo. He husband wey gree make comot. You not talk to that one wey gree make comot. Make go they do ashawo for another country wey hope pikin wait for am. You not talk to that one. As me your day, now my woman, you tell me now say I dey go another country. I want go do ashawo work. Mo take find wetin you want it. For what now? Usesa koko no ya so lipa ni moe. Imeta my girlfriend, if they do ashawo, the very day when me I go meet am like this, now that very day go stop am. The very day when I dey clamp his chest, now that day he go swear. He go use my body swear, say he no go try am again. He no go do am again. Why are you a man? Why are you called the man? Why do they call you man? Okwo viomo oto, viome ha biome omene ovioke okpia. Nukpia agba oge. Yena akpa na ari ewu ove. Ya wa fine work iwe ewu ove. Obenokpia je, obenokwu. It's better that you come out of social media, you start insulting them. Oboga iduwa evagbe vitali wana irewe obode gbegbe wa magimie va igiye wa magimie mirokpa ya make a life. Take your wife. E Germany gbagia wa mami da yan pay iga duro. E France pay iga duro. Holland pay iga duro. Then take your family or you with your wife. Exchange the country. Meme bitterly. This is making the third country ni amie beina. Waiting. Wala baba oma work nu wa we family we. Nu ya we no wokun we pari e wo we no ya gbasha wodi. U fi yan ati e wo gbado si kasalon. We ka yi ga duro ni be sustain ne. Ukebe mi winner. Is better than you will come out on social media, you will start laughing talking about our women. Wait, our women not get what they do now. We are not seeing no okun we pa. We not going no okun we pa na vi monu go na pa. We na go egba oge mo wa. Ona pa na ya you we gba shawo. Then you come out on social media do atal of social media. Then wadola the social media wado amie ikoni viomo na ogunya iya na pa na ari ebu obe esori Ireland esori Holland esori Austria esori Swiss ya agbasha owodo for what for what begbe very anima gbe ma gwa ogunya no ku eniyan pa apete aye force we agreement yan ba owa ya pa no ko ya pa yawo nemi. Without woman no who come to tell you say on I want travel, I want go do so I bet me they look picky you. You go your carry come on like that. No. Oga akpa very on e wo than social media do tell. Okpia okpa se aye. Okdani will take his own action. When imagine we wa pase me awe yen o e de ka ma ke ni eri odogidi o wa pa magi mi mo pado akoko mo wa ni e la o na yoro no wa yoro to wa ni ube gbogbo okwo ri me level se we bona e la Emi awe me ene weti aje gan igbe wa eriose no do ni social media ma kan wa ropa o ma kan won nu gwa ya azu of the social media na nu gwa ya azu of the social media uno shawo wa Buhari winukpo wa mwe ba bo me very na wa bu ashawo ari winukpo repent please this kind of job don't do it again. Asha wa ga mi ashawo the club bi wa toast eh Oma kwenu wa wala the social media wa do atalo. Imagine that is these are rubbish. These are nonsense. Rubbish niki. Ikata mwena we use no so kwo gbigbi agia. Oga so kpia ihu iso mhu Merita Madasun, good evening. Ihu iso mhu Now that tell of a social media na ijobo. You people should leave our women alone. Leave them alone. Ni mama ni uba Me mi o ma nevebo na o me bebu na be na wa me bebu na confirm be na me bebu na. But amari e bi winner. O ma mi winner. But o ma no me o verse kenkan just on are sojo no o winner. E ya gbon ya opa. O me ke wado gbe no pa wa. He must want to do something that will make sure she and his children did not suffer. They did not lack for something. Omo are sweet you. Omo are not bow. And a brother we mumu no ruwa wa gwa ni gwa. Wa wala di social media wa do atal of social media. Do atal in no ya yegbe we sacrifice no ame na gbe mo. Do afire our social media. Do I rien? If anybody leave their children for their husband to go for Ozoli, now their husband 40 days now their husband 100 day. You face their husband, not the woman, not be forced. You know you tell and say if you not do this thing today, now die. Wa même ni a pass through who wegbe, wa même ni a pass through who wa. Wa même no sunu dayan wo wa même no sunu dayan wo wegbe. No ya get agreement ni wo ko ma we are ken we are sudoni na vi na we are okay oya. E make sure we ma wegbe mo. Although as for me as a man I cannot be in this house. No working make pan on rie bo no wi agbasha wo so mo ani me. It can never be done. No. So that makes you a man. Anu de luko dated you wa ka were mi pa yo ya gwale ba e ma do mi e social media ya do atal of social media do arove obiere wa gbon obiere la ka gwa na rove any wa expenses in obiere move wa expenses in obiere move egbe ya fefe o surprise we your more expenses ogere erene na ogwa any your more expenses ogwe bi your more who surprise wo bia be okwo be ka biele nínú bia ne your be more expenses yan all the more expenses family oge. We don't come to this country to look anybody's face. We don't come to this country to we come to also work. We can do anything to make money. On every man hand winner. Every man hand winner. Okay, if I don't fit do this one, I go do this one. If I don't fit do this one, I go do this one. For yeah, you can do anything to make money. You can do anything to survive. This is not your father's land. This is not your mother's land. This is not your father's house. It's not your mother's house. You can do anything to make money. You can do everything to make money. You go clean it well up, you break the chain in the belt you are even we are not doing no be yourself always gushy here igba. I want wear gushy. I want wear this chain. I want wear glass. I want wear this one. I want wear that one. I like this one. Where agbasha wo rire na at the end do akamo we are we. Ashago kin you be ashago. The larger social media do a tell of a social media. Do you know this guagua equal with social media? Is that your problem? Your problem is how you are going to make money. Live about our women. You will not get money since they come out, they insult our women where they do our shower. How does that shower that they do? They even work. You do better. They even better pass you. You better even go road. You do yourself. Go road work. Go and do men winner. You are gay. Go and turn gay. If you don't have money, go and turn gay. Go turn to gay. Go and turn gay. Leave our women alone. Let them do whatever they want to do. Why me not be? On does see person go born, he go say pikin, he go say I name this pikin Ashawo. No, it's not serve ano. It's not serve ano. Me no gwana eti meme gbe, me eti meme. But mene ni mami ya support avi for we money. And what so see I me ajoja ani who we man. It's unfair. It's not good. Anything you see, lock it up. It's better that you come out on social media and start talking. Now everything people they come out for social media, they talk. Go and make money. Anywhere where me see support. Now they take. If I heard now this one say okay. If I heard this one if I anywhere. No we hire sun alade me social media no do this gwangwa ihu we man ya wa pa gwa lopa wa mu wo sun hu wa so bo wa yan we no we you bo no eba. Wa gbenu gugun ane o ma ku eyu udo lade me social media do ata lo. Eri Joseph gbe Josiah. Eri Josiah gbe Joseph. Eri somo ana owa yo na ya gbashawo. Awa na somo ana riwo. Kena owa ni na somo ana. No ga gba oro of ye. Kenoku ashawo viva. Inwuna pamu yan eva. Yes. Me, I no go feel green now. I go just sit down. My wife go just carry children, give me. Then go just come out, go another country. Not be even the same country, another country. They go stay there for 1 year, 2 years. Go just stay there, they do a fine work. And anyway, before that kind of thing even happen, I don't plan plan B. I don't get plan B. If I drag go here, I don't get. I drag go here, I don't get another thing where I drag. So I take pack all of them. Yeah, more go to another country. Now so we'll take go another country. We'll go look for what will they find for another country. And so you plan another plan. You get another plan B entirely. It's better than you can't let the girl come out to go they do what you not supposed to do. As they do, and people from social media can't see and they can't begin to narrate to them. And one thing about social media presenters is, if only one person made mistake, only one person do something, for them to go point to that person direct, they go say all Benin women. They go say, oh, I'm gonna take am easy now. Wabia take her easy. Wabia lu aganushe uwa kere now. Mona see they use aganushe small. Anything where our women do for this country, it not concern anybody. We come here to hustle. Anyhow we take hustle, not concern anybody. Uga where idolevo si oba ivie do yakin do mayakin so don't off it on it. Ivie do yakin ivie do nakin ivie do mayakin this and this. Where wo via do wegelekin we onu we wiyo bo wonu gwo badole do yi. Ukpi ma sori ave do state. Ekyogi maro eskuro na mena ye no kwa visili. When not the 10 bottle of zinc. Una vi arriva work school na ve wa vi the school na ve na o. O we go ba dollar wo yi ni. When na me we woman ni pasha wo una ke 5,000 euro. Una wa ke 5,000 euro una wa ri na we mi. La wo manage e gwa le mi o be ri e dai. Ya sun mi re na sun mi re na. Okay. O we go ba dollar wo yi ni. E na me we manage obonu we u. Enemy woman me yobonu, uma wi yoborokpa. Uwa la jabe social media usun attack we guess ogima, ume yobonu jeniya. You are a madman. Ume yobonu jena ne rokpa. Den do la jabe social media. Udwa interrupt ye emniya u. Udori we loto do awia we loto im ne gesi mariri ya we webo. Any amanati ne hu you ewe no. You will not get 1 naira for SAS. Now we will shorty full day for shorty. You see 5 euro or you see 3 euro 50 cents. Then you want say you want control say you dey ask me this me give no mass me. Then you want come laugh people, person or woman we really yes we use himself to even do the something. We use himself to go find the work. They do a fine work. Where they count thousands. Sometimes 7,000 in a week, 20,000 a week. Yeah, you will not get 1 naira. Say 1 naira. You will they beg cigar they smoke. You will they beg drink they drink. Then you want to come out for social media they laugh. Woman will use the money to go do a fine work. The body to do a fine work till they carry thousands euros now they tell you so they enter us. Ari masevu by Vanna. Ari masevu by Va. We no gioma kenu we gie do no mase. Agioma. E bega nu we ma uwe wuwe. E uwe dua uwe webu. Shoroti. Nu ma uwe wuwe. Udua uwe webu. Den okwono ma gbasha we gbasha wo be mana we dua gi. Utakpa mu waiva. You as a beggar and you as a prostitute. Utakpa mu waiva. So we made the right no ya de social media nu dua gi. Nu dua tie bone. Nu dua jo jane. Nu do ka weru dis gwagwa. You don't have the right. No. You don't have the right. So, in this country, this is not our father's country. It's not our mother's country. Not be our papa get this country. Not be our mama get this country. Everybody have the right. Anything to make money. If you are in this country, you don't make money. Make money with anything you can make money with. Look at your own fellow others, the way they make money. Then it's better you come to social media, you start talking. Yes. Make money. Anything bad thing. Use it to make money. So far you have the money. Agbon mek biani buwebona. Avi kuivye wima. No. Nena vasha wona vekani. Inya zagmo no mek bi meso webona. Don't come on social media to talk about women. Don't come on social media to talk about women. Don't come out on social media to talk about how women do. No, it's none of anybody's business. Don't come on social media and talk about how people do. It's none of anybody's business. I'm allowed with their kento. Everybody with their own. I'm a kamarokba. It not concern anybody. Anyhow you take get your money, go and get your money by it. Go and remove your family from shame. Go and take your family out from shame. Make money by anything you want to make money with. On the name of a social media and stuff, every question self near ti una me we yes. Afia da. Ti awe ya na no but one magi ari la ti awo wa. Ya le you go say agbeli yan you wa. No amegbo amegbe. Ibia ka geri yan we wa be different corner. We are can get ya fan Roma no say no be gba ha. On the name of where gunele you wa ne na mi ani social media be do ana me kian we iri ya agbashago. Aya ku egbe you ya ku egbe you wa. You egbe you wa bi be ka gege ne 2020 ya duro ni dare no de. Okin no yin we wa. Gbeli yan yo be different corner. But if they have the opportunity, they don't want with social media no more. If they have the opportunity to do something, they will do something. They know their set. They know their type. You go be mess on here no because they don't have freedom in yours, in your hand. They not get freedom for your hand again. Ebonu wa ke paga mohun wa beboni. Ebo be na wa be serve do amohun wa. Wa take it easy. Ami ma na me nwa. Emi ya na gwa mi ebo ya adu ata social media. Emi ya na mi ebe ya adu ata love social media. Do ata love na ge me ata. No, the time we are ata lo ni talemo ma be o talemo ku obe ni. That time you also we ya away me okpa be one side. Agbona ni meye na imeye ta amoro pa mama se gbe. We bona ni maje na omoro pa mama level se gbe. Amama se gbe be bona we bona ni mawaje na. Everybody are all equal. Everybody are one. Emani me beni a process in malana ya ka be learning. Ema ya ni mebo me nwina. No gi me bene, eche ya gwali nwina wa me wa gbe wa yuwo wa. Wa o emi. Aki anwu na we bo wa we processed the dokpa no. Wa wa save ani we na. Awa we ne mi gbiri. E dey wa gba we come and start work. Area ya where. Wa o emi. Ikwe wi make wa uwa mi kere wa gwara. Ikwe wi make wa uwa mi kere wa gwara. Ikwe wi ma iwu. They can make money how they want to make their money. Obia no gizi egbe we ni alati en wo wa ni are we ya gbashawo. Obia no e we to hu ania. He's a stupid man. No gizi egbe no wo kan ri pa are we ya gbashawo ni agbo egba ogo mo wa. He's a stupid man. Oh, he's not a man, he's a woman. Our kind ni the husband. So the woman or the husband, where the husband is the wife. I don't interrupt people. I don't interrupt for what we may do. Me are travel na travel yari hun la den we moto me kana me guess ma mudi ayi yen banu am in fact winter yen ba ye banu ya neru ni yen we muta usalobo ala wo. No game na gbo ma wa gbe nu wari obo ya fefe ne ya dino de no manu wa. E dokpa sa obo ga iri oga ifun ehu nu wa ya ki ehin be. E nana nu wa usenu wa je na. Uwa by forming or by initiation or by posing or by imitation. Is that the reason why women become a prostitute? No. Not be that one, that is not the reason why they be They did it to bring themselves out from shame. They did it to bring themselves out from poverty. Owane gbaki ni redo. Ibieka gima ni revo na. Yu ya hunyo na ya bowani. Wama etinya ya yoni. Okonoti wa ranwewa. Awa asu le po na to big mo na to be 4 flats, na to be 5 flats, na to be eso wa men ba 2 flats be different community. Na ya na vie boji. Wama etinya ya ni. Wamatia yani. Wamatia ifwobeba. Where yes, if any man in Rogo have finya, you said have finya you walk over and have finya you one of the most in a beginning where these people guess what? Then why give me ya ube my ya Georgia in ya bashago. Ashago ni ya beni ya muwela webu. O makama rockba. I mean when an accident is in when no matter how an accident. I mean when an enemy accident. It's none of anybody's business. Why do you beg him? Ugbera, do matic bera him boy. Sister, no, they do this kind of job again. Look at any yak boy. I'm not trying my yok woe. Me let her pour to water for your body. It's none of anybody's business. A business on Marokba. I'm not come Marokba. Iuna no ma ubebo na makeke no muwa. Wagi wine gbuwa muwa. Wagi wine ma iga muwa. Iwi no ma tom mi o ma de. Nene mi bu. Eri ogba shawo. eri ovio mi ona wa eri anya wa bun we eri anya vio mo na ogun ya eri anya pa ya na ari ewo be ihe igwa se bo yen na ya gbashawo be wo be eri agwa disgwagwa anya ya be social media agwa fi ya fefe la de social media agwa en gbin ya okan where it's not of your business o ma kan wen it's not your business o ma kan wen o ba no bia no rizin egbe no vie no rizin egbe no kan pa ni agba oro mo ma kan wa ro pa it's none of anybody's business ikpe ani wo oku ni wa magun ya gun we me na mi ewe opi akin apa o wa ro wi je mi owo kan mi 3000 ave no boss o e no ro we mi 10000 ave big men ro o we mi 20000 ya le ba ni mo ya le ba be 1 month or ya le ba be 1 week or ya le ba be 3 days or ya le ba yen keke travel ri we bo me na do mi ewo ku akin apa o wa ro ri go no a ba a fi e pa won we bo me na do mi e ogu akin apa o wa ro ri go me me mi egbo ni de we bo na me na do mi oni agwa me mi ya wo no na agwa boyfriend me mi ya wo la my guy go do this one my guy go do this one my guy go do that one bo na me na mi oni me ma mi e we me ni me ke pa wa be mi gbo opportunity ni wa magogo wa mi no ujo bonu wa no support wa or you wa ye bread nu wa e camp or you wa e varo ogbese mo nu wa ya wi yo boni ya nu wa ya lo ya ni ya then you come out on social media you start talking nonsense about our women start talking nonsense about women we wa no gbashawo no agbashawo o ma kan waropa it's none of anybody's business this is Europe make money with whatever you want to use to make money make money with whatever you better do anything you have to do to make money is better than o make the family we wa if you see work if you find work you see work if you not see work anything where you see where you know say you fit go make money go and use it to make money with it go and use it to make money it's better than your family will die in hunger in Nigeria my family can mega ogwo asawo ni ti wa gbe on di mana mi win now it's better than make the family me wa we na mo ma me wa omo ma me ro wa e mo ro wa egbe abi ihu ma so ro ni so me va yo wa ni so me ha yo wa e mo aye school e mo awe wina e mo ari bai egbo bia mo bebe ma we are ogwe no ro wa obiara eze mwe fe alele ran viri mwe document lele ran viri gwali wina fi ma mi wina o ke wa mi wina wa me wa gbelu a do pege asrenti wo wa efe kolo wa efe ko then you come on social media you start talking about them who say no so ko gbigbe agara so pia ihu izo hu wa emi okwu na gwa bia na welare ni wo igbe agia o ni wo asawo a no ero if na se ba no who sell yokwu we a condition that if you were no so waste one way no market no to make sure you survive if you know you are really a man and you like woman you like the woman or you like any woman you see say they do a fine work and you are really a man immediately you climb your chest finish as you dey get up you tell am some this work you dey stop am no try and do am again you go stop then everything wey in demand for you as the man of the house you dey supply am you dey give am for am you just dey give am that makes you a man no be the one wey be say don turn to liability you come tell am say make come stop asawo work you go dey hungry you go dey hungry wọn gbèlú wà bá wọn bí o They say na that time your country they say na ashawo they do, na ashawo worky, na ashawo this one, na ashawo that one, na ashawo that one. That thing. Evanu we anadu adomie okwu bo kan va ogba ke mo iyen wa river iyen wa ru wa pava no no kwe gba eso wa ha myself eso ye bi ha mo bebe ko oye mo ko ni pa ri wunu po ya wunu oya wunu po no bia na ru wa you turn liability to her we made ya river ni yan pa wa so fa ko ke mo ni yan wa myself we wa turn liability wa yan yen ba wa yan river wa o wa do la de social media wa do aro vivie we ma no bia mo ni san monisa ari wunu po ya agbo nisa wunu po no ya akoko mo ba won no be ya akoko wo han wa toge ni gba ni ro ni ton liability wo wa toge ni ku ni pa ya wunu po ya survive family ogan family ogan ona mi khamene who is there we be kana wo la oye gani mewe Google are you mad ya we si agaban understand it's better that you go and turn liability to her we work ba enu we wa ruo wa nu we areva do boku we si awe mo ekokpa o boku we si awe o si awe wa ye po ye ko wa ye te be gba o we oni gun ya ta dini bi ka di ogun ya ri bi ka ni wo wa we de o ya ru le joni re o so wa ro o wa mo ebo o mo ebo mbu a wa di o wa be di nya wa na wa we yan be bo wa do foki ba na wa ri o wa fi ogbe mu te bu bi palo o wa kan oduku o ja agbidiot wa ma gwa bi pia ni gun wa gbe no ku ogun we no ku agi uni but if you know you are really a strong man and you are a good man your wife will not go to that extent he will not get that opportunity to do that with you then wa ma gwe wa bi ni ku ogun wa gbe ni pia gun after you don turn you better just leave the woman alone we wa po wa remi wa pa you just leave the woman go just by herself dey do im thing okan ko ni ga gba sawo na ga gba ori bi just leave am oh yeah yes we say I ne anyway turn liability your evani why turn liability your evane why turn liability evane ihuwa ni gimi yan do mo gi yan ni wa gbo social media eni na ave brother we sister we mumu yan reason yan think yan gele la din do atal of social media you people are mad people why o emi o gbe no sin gbe no han momo no momo no momo nu ona pa ya we no ma keke no you are a madman ogbiani wa can follow ogbiani wa can tackle the woman wa have the women wa tackle because women are born to survive women are born to do anything to make money women are born to do anything to make money wa ki o body very na me wa gbo ayo wa ye fi mi ba o your eye go just clear go just neat we are wa ge meso ohun yan ye lo VAK because they want to claim their mother or their father want to claim no but if you really me ati yarun pa will testify na yon pa o koko money o money ni ekoko ni wa mi wana mi money ni ekoko ni wa mi wa han we yes na woman I trainer oyewo mo na biebe they will not give a massive gem no be massive gem ni na oyewo no they will not be massive Europe na oyewo mo na biebe the one side that is the best country so far a country no we are going very clean boy we are going to be clean not sparking one. Why the small part? I want you to be. I very you bari. You pack cano. Who surprise the way they tell liability we go e wo wa. E get it ba o money video. Hey, my mama, Unshakable One of Germany. Princess Unshakable One. Odogu, Princess Unshakable One of Germany. The thing we want shake you, make can't shake me, Jare. The thing we want shake you, make can't shake me. I bet me, I give this one to Unshakable Mama. Ogo Unshakable Mama, no. Everybody close your eye, please. Aya. For Unshakable Mama. Now, Unshakable Mama, get am. Now, as we are communicating, as we are talking, as we are continuing our conversation, continue talking. As I was communicating, as I mona take on the one as yeah. So now those men, now we supposed to today. Now, okay. Yeah, now we are not talking about single people now. Now married people, they talk about now married. Then you sit down, walk your buck, your worry. Then sister wa reveriana. Honey, I beg you, let me look these children. I want you to go quickly find some money for Ireland. I'll spend like 1 year or 6 months. I'll still come back. Oga kagbe you ohun. The brother we mumu only gelewe. Brother we mumu gelewe. Okay. If you no say we fit still survive like that, wahala no dey. You can go. Wahala no dey, you can go. If you go, wahala no dey. Everywhere good. I'll help you dey tidy the children. Only brother we mumu. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mẹ̀jọ ọgọ́ kàgbé yú ọ̀hún. Èrè tí náà yú wẹ́ pa wẹ́nu wẹ̀ yá tẹ̀ wẹ́ni sẹ̀fú wẹ̀ ahẹ́ yá lẹ́bẹ̀ àbí yókò wẹ́ mi àhúyẹ́ pípa lè bẹ̀nà wẹ́ dẹ̀ gbé lá ọ. Imagine. Aweze dàbí àlù ẹ̀wọ̀n ọ̀gbìn so with adìẹ àbí mẹ́ mánì rẹ̀ wẹ̀bù. Ìyẹn ká ìdùn ẹ̀nẹ́ mi náà ẹ̀dùn láti àwọn social media ẹ̀dùn àvíyẹ̀ with social media ẹ̀dùn àtàlọ̀ with social media. After you have made the first mistake, you have made mistake of your life, then you come to social media and blabbing, talking nonsense. If you don't have a topic to talk about, you leave. Our brother we mumu. I know say that because of Unanasa, people follow me fight for Stuttgart that day. And I don't write rest in peace for their red label. Very important. That is my unshakable one of Germany. Unshakable one of German. And my godmother be that to Mama Ugo. So now, as we are communicating, as we are communication, as I dey talk, then when a woman is comfortably with a good hand, you know, dream man one day. Na ya me wa bolikwo ja enu me wa gbe mu ayewo padi jiba. O won me ni gbe me yawo mi no ma keke ni u. Oya, iwa re mi I transit to another country. That is me. So if you know you can't take care of your family, for you to allow your wife to go to another country to go and do ashawonolize, then you take your family, take your wife, take her to another country, go and seek for asylum. Then small thing they say they pay you for asylum, do there. Use and do better thing. I see the use how they take care of yourself before you start better thing to do. It's better that you would let your wife go to another country to go and do ashawonolize, and the people on social media will start coming and disgracing you, disgracing your family. You people are thinking that they are only disgracing the women. No, they are not disgracing. They are disgracing you. Wey be their husband, will let them go do the work for other country. Ruda Oswald, we yagbo wakpa ma ihu yagbe. O ma ekena na gbe wa wa na gbe yen. Ekena na gi owo han na we giwe. Agio bo agio sun eh. Iba bo la wa gbe, uwa saluwa, uwa hohowa. Ogun ogbeluwa e track. Na dey mad. Uwa agbelu kokoshi. Have a brother we mumu. And yeah, wa we gbe me wa ho e. If we rest the piece of it ba wa and the least to wa ya abu. That is me. Ana kino wa meso wa. Hiji mi odogu wife. Janet Samuel Olaye 1. Olaye 1. Olaye 1. Na it be that. Odogu mama. Only mama Odogu. Na Odogu wife. Odogu. As we are communication. They say that nonsense you pick sense. I beg. Anyhow I take talk and mona dey arrange am by herself. Now, wege liability ne no kwu ne. Obori do wa rigbo wa wo wa. When we do agwaleke no ana keku hwene no kwu la dia no do ya wa fine work. Uga gege mani bumi enege ehwere ne. De we do agwaleke we anari egbu we yiwo. Udu aka we ri owo kan we wu ono na o. Eri owo kan we wono na. Eri owo kan we vie monu ona vie monu enu akoko. Ona kpa na ri ewo no ya gbashawo. We nana me we plan we vano. Ruda we me we ne kwe me na mu we. We are save side of we wo. Then when mu ne social media. When mu ne ya we social media when ya social media this go wo hu we. Nya do this go wo kan. Say your wife want your wife how do I say it now? How do I come on? Say your wife don't fall your hand. It not fall anything. It did not fall anything. You will let her come out for the house. Now you fall your hand. If you don't want to marry the woman, when no work, no work, you have your mokba. Ruda, amoni okba wa kokoni, ni okba wa koko yani very. We are one mia. Ye telebu, but we are what okay liability by ya bebani niya. Ya doria, ya de gbekulu. Nu we are ya liability yo eba. Who was in Benin no why are you any basha no ya cook money? We worry up working ahian, brother we move. We are here. Go and do whatever you want to. Go and turn gay. Go do anything. We want money working. We worry up where. Is a worobo wado. Opiano rio kweva. Agbinya riengbe. Oh, kere meme. Ya you know genetola ye mona yo. Unwe genetola ya mona yo na. Aja. Odogu. Now, as we are communication, for you to come out on social media to disgorge our women that is doing a fine work, Blackie Norezo. This is Blackie. Mike Wise Amas. You think I know you. You can't change your name. You think I don't know you. I still know you. So, for you to come out on social media to talk about women, okay, Mona, listen. How many times una don't see Oshekebo Mama for a program? Oshekebo Mama will come to talk about human being, talk about person wey still dey Europe, yes, still dey also for money. They find wetin you want to make life. How many times? If na like Mona ask him wise. If na like Mona ask am, how many times na don see Oshekebo Mama like that? Dirty presenters will come out from nowhere. They will start interrupting for what women are doing in Europe. It's none of their business. If anything. This is Europe. Mika Wise, you better help me talk to them. This is Europe. They can use whatever they want to make money. Iya wala water na wa iya la water ne. Ani kedo pasa wa ya ri e wo be ya we afa wo kwa ma de contract marriage no ba. De contract marriage, sorry. A marriage how they take the talk. Na contract marriage at anyhow where mo just dey, I fit just dey pump up for you. Maybe later we call leave our body, we call rest. Anything you like, just they do, they go. No worry. Now you get power over me. All those kind of marriage. Wama Wawala there is social media. Wawatalo Bri. We go disgwan women where they leave pikin for their husband. They'll go Europe. They'll go another country. Go they do ashawo. Their husband where they leave pikin for. Now they talk to all those ones. Where did they be? They turn liability. That is the why their husband left there. That is the why their wife left there to do ashawo. No lazy. They turn a liability. Our ways. Ignorantico grammar. You people should leave our guests alone. Leave our guests alone. Our brother we mumu akin agugun. I say, Mika Wise. In fact, everybody for that Joshua. On a boy, my wife bury bread in the camp that year. He marry bread. My is bread, man, to stay woke. Egbi ma ya na do arun, na do abaro wa igagi ma. My wife bury bread in the camp. Man, to stay woke. My igagi bawa o. Oh God, I got say siga magu He's a lawyer boy. Oh man, see no mom no no. So as we are communicating, as we are talking, as we are saying, as we are communication, transmission, conclusion, communication, transmission. Oh, join Mona take on the one at here. You understand? Now, abi biani wa egun ya gun. When you carry betamu wa gege ni, uze no so wo gbigbe agia oga si gbia. Ito izun if you marry a woman and you can't handle that you know that is umoriri, you not get fee as in you are not an action man. When you carry a weekly man. When your woman come to you say, my love, I'm not fit for all these things again. I won't go do anything by anything to make money to take care of my children. Who will know what Vivienne? But yeah, view. Where we ba? Where Odawu wana iwe name you know. It's better than where what total ipalo wo kan we mo biawe do vibe wo biawe kwa je kia wanya wo gba we what you worry how television video na do see radio la dia na me now understand. E kia ga ide for the 50 euro na very dead. Wherever we do less supermarket, where we had the pa brother we mumu. We are ladia. We are ladia social media. We do atalo with social media. Do amuya gboto. Do atie bonoko with social media. You are a madman. Ogu kill you. You not get nyash, you not go give man your nyash, make it do, make see bring that money come, make you not take, make you and your wife and your pikin take shop. Who we wa? River Bola wagbe. Nu wa guo wa salua. Don't interrupt for what women are doing in this country to make money. It is none of your business. It is nobody's business. It not concern anybody. Anything where they like, may they do to make money. This is Europe. This is where you can make money. You can do everything. You can do anything to make money to bring your family away from shame. It's better than you claim only than your family will die. They die in pain at home. Do anything to make money. Anything that you do it to make money. It's better than when you social media or if we no ba or if we wa or na who we gbe you wa ruo wa kyo wo wa o me kwa gbe family we wa. Do anything to make money. Not reason anything when the way people they talk. You were married woman for us. You know say time to still they come will be say yes. Now then you can see some fool. They go even don't get work for that Italy there. They go even don't get work. Their wife go still they hungry. After all, we be make can you move me adia Obama we mo mu adia bu. Awe brother we mumu. My people, now the small thing we are can't tell you now be that. You people should stop interrupting for what women are doing in Europe to make money. It not concern anybody. Oh, you no way shorty a beggar. They be not basha wuta pamuya eva. Uta pamuya. Asha will not be work. Shorty not still be work. Where work be shorty no come also to struggle where you are strong only. You are not strong only. Because it's not a job. Momo kuta pano aya muva. Waya mudia uri erume. Ari adi go you eh. Abi whoever market na ari ogonia. Because here guy mudia position. Evanu we are not omi ole viroko. Ole ashishi. Ole nokpa. Ole no si nenemi. Ogwa si nenemi ni asine we are no mume. E Shadrach no mume rioje. Eni odo sili ni ala dia we na. Vari na ariukpo. Vaya na aya gwog na amye ukpo a. Wa mweme. Osbo ogun. Only go na 50 euro. So for that simple reason, you have to respect them. It's better that you come out to social media to laugh them. You are laughing them on yobo. You work to go and meet them. Ke 5,000 euro, I mean 5,000 euro. Osinya with business. Kamu newe sister mi go na gegi bashawo. Stop it. You go na assume your power. Yes, ogele sumwe. Ogele wewo. Do we onu we gbe do lagbon yo onu gbe do livie we ma yivie do ya you ni ma be do state you go to Benin go and buy this do level was yoba venu high we do level was yoba enu la de social media do atal of social media ma mejo bopanu ewu no gbe ma we yo bopanu nu ewu no we fa tu we ye gwali yo bo kian we mana wi mi anari enu we we gwali yo bo we do la we no gwali yo bo we la dian with social media we do atal of we do you no ri where we ma wa. I tell you now, if anybody come out on social media to insult our women again, I will just walk straight to you like this. I will just tell you direct. I resemble person with a fear person. If anybody insult our women, Edo women, any Edo man, any Benin man on social media insult any Benin woman again, this European, if you do your as soon as if you do all of them are all my family. All of them are all my brothers and sisters. We are not going to Wa no keke na mwe bogbe wa mwe bogbo ma. Eru wa ni bi edo ya. Eri ogile no keke na mwe bogbo ma. Wa emi de. Wa eze bolikwo ya. Obori ze dole je Jonas me bata na hin. O ma duo ni. Obora ze duwa. Aro basha wo ni me ka ta. Ina we rede. We ni wa we ya akioki o we ready wa de wa ya bi o fun wa la de no ya wa fine work. Oh boy got do one. Why is still working? Why is still working? Mad people. Why go ware wadua. Ege Moses ive Bible akesu ami ashawo. Amami wa no to stop eh. We no re no dog here to stop eh. Eba we no re no dog here to agi ashawo. We no bia no agi ashawo ari agmaria we de gbe mi okuri. Agwo. I beg, I use God beg you now. Before I can't get angry, now may I end my video first. I beg, I respect somebody like God's time, Noah. And who get this fake account? Best food. A best food na fake account, you know, like what already. Na fake account. Uyi Gbinosu Princess Oshekebo Mama, that's my godmother. I respect somebody named Mika Wise. That's my personal person and my boy be that. Nothing do you. Anything we do, you may go do mama we born my grandmama. I give me use it family man. So Akugbe, you are there. Mama Odogun, Janet Samuel, Olaye 1. Olaye 1. So now, anyone, when niswa esosunore gbo osege na ya nwe ne ya nwe. I want to go and win. My dear, man, not come out for social media. Call the shout a girl. That's all our wife give una pikin go the do a fine work for social for this thing. Anybody wey carry woman picture come out for social media, I say this woman, he can't come out, he leave his children for your husband. He can't go another country, go dey do ashawo. Ogun hin amugbu we social media. Ya amogun ni gbu an ogun social media ni we gbu. An ogun ni ahin we gbu we social media. Ogun ni hin ati enu e. Ya amogun ni gbu ya amogun gba owe ne no gbu. Bi amogun ogun. Wa ya fe fe ogun gbu ogun wa ya, I say no gbo ni opa e. No gbo ni ogun gbe. Lovely boo, that my boo boo boo. The boo no kin wo. Oh ye gbe. Anybody wey carry woman picture, you carry woman picture come out for social media. Na so you see am say the woman come dey how dey take dey talk am. You see am say the woman, this woman go your carry go say, una see this woman so he leave his wife husband, carry pikin give am. He come go dey do ashawo for another country. The way when I take curse you. The way when I take curse you will be like feel for your eye. You people are mad people who are go with social media. Apart from Oshekebo Mama. They say person pikin wey know say mama dey market, no dey trust to dey go market too. Apart from Oshekebo Mama and Wanike Wazalwa, Wabola Wagbe, una help. Before you talk to somebody on social media, you make sure that you have helped that person more than 2 times or 1 time. Then before you start disgwagwing the person. Now be the one be say never help any of our women for social media. You come social media, you call the talk for social media. And so women do this one. Women are ashawo. Women they do ashawo for Europe. Woman where they come out go they do ashawo. Woman where go leave your husband, do ashawo, leave your wife, leave your children for your husband. Can't go another country, go they do ashawo. Una want this gwagwa then. You want this gwagwa now, which help you and the husband help him before you go do the ashawo. Woman, if woman get help for husband as they do ashawo. You and your husband wey wan call this gwagwana for social media, which help una to help am? E just carry just get up one morning Sunday and wan go do ashawo wey dey be say im dey see better thing. So go and think. Mona dey disgwagwa the men wey leave their husband, their wife, make comot go another country go do ashawo na here. Eva Bola Wagbe part 2. Anybody that come out on social media and insult woman again, I'll cut your neck. I will make sure I'll cut your neck. I will hang it. I'll go and place it in your father's house. God punish una papa, punish una mama. Now the mad who are go. Eva Bola Wagbe. Emi Ogbelu wa track. The presenters who have somebody like a Henry Yemeni girl, Shekebo Mama, or Onika, Shekebo Mama did there. Because it be tomorrow, use bet beat me, a bet or joy, you bet your life would ever remain the same. And my godmother be that too. No. I am very fine, oh lovely boo. On a why mess of one work bunny any mena, no work bunny any mena. Okay. I love you all. I love you guys. That is the end of my topic. Topic. That is the end of my topic. When I hear, and at the end of my topic be that. Stop insulting women on social media. Stop interrupting for what women do to make money on social media. Don't interrupt women. Let me they do ashawo. Let me they push cookie. Let me they push anything pushable. Let me they do anything doable. Let me they fuck anything fuckable. Don't interrupt them again. Not be they carry you come Europe. Not be because of their matter now you come Europe. Idole was your bar you talk. So that the level where you define where you want pause. I beg if you see any ashawo for Joshua, count 5,000 euro, give them make go find better thing they do. If you know say you know if you do one, you lock up. If you want follow, you want do Idole was your bar, you go Benin. Our road not good for Benin. Go repair one side. You be Osioba. Our schools not good for Benin. Repair one side. You be Osioba. Our market not good for Benin. Repair one side. You be Osioba. It's better than you will start interrupting for what our women do here in Europe. Obewe or total the social media do atemi nihu. We bodo agihu ni bashawo na ye. A madman. You will not see money take they buy drink, take drink. You will not even see money take buy cigar smoke. You can't come out, can't they laugh at shower where they make 20,000 every week. And you will not get 1 naira. We be say people go they call you for us. You know see money go give them. Your family they suffer for us. They want die for hungry. Then you come out for social media because you get free Wi-Fi. You they laugh woman where use it to make money where they receive 20,000 every month. So now two now better pass. You will not get money with person wey go use ikpeku stay find money, wey carry money enter house, wey be say their children and the family for home not dey hungry. So who better pass? You know say am say na she better pass you. So you not supposed to dey laugh who better pass you. Na who better pass you na supposed to dey laugh you. Anakanani uwe gwaluhenu ya uwe mayemie. We are the boy bi ninu he self. Wa goy. Okay nu bahungo. We toast on because of what you are doing. Go and repent. Whatever who is the person you are, who the fucking hair is the person that talking anyhow on social media. Babola wegbe. Avege no soma. Avege no masoma. No ya ge no masewe. We no zagbo no manwe. May show you road. Idiot. Nonsense. I tell you people, if my own blood brother, the same papa, the same mama, if you come out for social media, come insult my adult women, I go come out, I'll insult them back. Ogumugbe. Nah, yeah. Idiot. I bet me I play music for now before I end my topic. Before I end it, I will not stop it. Stop. I don't know what is the meaning of all this. May I play music for now? Play music. Play music. Ye kwa entertain a visitor, man. Imagine. Ọrịa gịrị ọgọgọ eri gani ya. Inwune dadogo keke no mwe dadogo ebe webu. Inwune dadogo ogwa keke no mwe dadogo ebe webu. Edenula blapala pasha wonu we adogie o mareva. Your mwere uga kamo sabo if I reach Europe like this, I go buy motor give my mama, give my papa. I go build 4 flats. Where is a weapon in when I shall go to where over webo mu. Why can we can? I don't tire. My people, that is the end of my top. Sorry. That was the end of my top. That is the end. That was the end. And he was the end. And is the end. Which one correct, Pasef? That was the end of my topic. This is the end of my topic. And that is the end of my topic. End na end. So far, end. Now, bye-bye. I greet the house. I hate the house. I greet all of una. Stop insulting women on social media. If you try it, I will insult your father, I will insult your mother. I will leave you, I will insult your families. I go insult your mama, you can't rest, you don't insult woman again. Don't insult our women in Europe. Anything our women do for Europe, anything where our women they do for Europe, it not concern anybody. This is European. This is where you will make money. Anything bad thing, anything where you get, anything you can do, use it to make money. So that shame no will come. Like we will be Okala children. So our children, our family for us, before you do small thing, everybody don't go squat for they don't reach where my family dey like this, they put my jack up. Now I come sit down because I want to look your face. Talk less of woman. The very day you come to Europe, the very day your family will rely on you. Then if you reach here, come dull, una yeah. Una come dull. Una yeah. Una dull. I don't finish my topic. Me, I leave una. I greet all of una. I just want to use this medium to respect somebody like Junior Boss and Prince Mavis. I greet you. I greet you. Na man una be. Those are my real people. So I greet una. I hate the house. So all my fans. I say Rome General Kodo wa Odogu, one mama, second God. Odogu, Odogu.